Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. I want to try on the clothes my sister-in-law gifted me this new year and show you the amazing gifts my sister-in-law got me. Okay, she's based in Germany, so they came home for Christmas, she and her family, and before they left, she gave me everything she got me while coming back, including this phone. Yeah, she and her husband gifted me this phone. She and her husband gifted me this. This is an iPhone 11. Yes, I was so surprised. I wasn't actually expecting this iPhone 11 from them. Yes, I wasn't even expecting a phone from them, but voila, I got a phone. Thank you very much, sis. I really appreciate this. I sincerely do. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I don't take any of this for granted. I really appreciate you. Thank you. So, guys, stick around, okay, as I show you what's in here, okay, and also try on my clothes and the shoes, of course. Yes, and I will also show you the handbags, okay. Okay, this is the back. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm actually filming this part with the phone. Yes, I'm filming this part with the new phone. So I just want to show you some of the things in the phone. It came with, okay, it came with 3 screen guards. So one is already on the phone. These are the extra 2. Yes. And okay, the leaflets. Yeah, these are pamphlets. The phone pamphlets. Yep, yes. Yeah, okay, lest I forget. Okay, the cord is somewhere here, the one they gave me. Okay, the cord is somewhere here. Let me just show you the phone. I will have to switch to my old phone so that I can show you what this phone looks like. Yeah. I just switched to the other phone so that I can show you this one. This is the back. Okay, this is the back, and this is the front of the phone. Yeah. So this is it, guys. My gifts. Okay, I was actually overwhelmed. Okay, so guys, these are some of the clothes I'm going to be trying on for you all to see. Yeah, just don't go nowhere, okay? All the tops, I'll be trying them on with this jean that I'm putting on right now. Yeah. Yeah. You do, you do. You do. Yes, I like. Mm. Hi guys. Yes, I like. Một ma. Yeah. 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 Hi guys. I love you. Okay, I like this. Okay, I love, not just like, I love this. Look at this. Okay, I also love this one as well. Look at the back. Okay, look at the back and the front. I love this. Okay, it's just like the previous one I wore, then but different designs. Okay, just different design. Don't you just love this? I love it. You see this one right here? Okay, I love. So there's something I missed out. Okay, so these clothes, some of these clothes, she got them from Shein. Yes, hope I'm calling it right. Shein or Shein. Well, at least you know what I mean. Yeah, she got it from Shein, including the previous two I already tried on. Yeah, this one is just like a onesie. You pin it on there. Okay. Yeah. So that's why it looks like I tucked it in. Check it out. Hmm. Ah, yeah. Don't you like?
Sorry, my mic went off while I was filming this and I didn't even notice it. So I was basically saying here that I love the look of this top with the leather pants. Okay, this leather pants was also part of the gift. Yes, she also gifted me this as well. This leather pants is top notch. Like the quality is top notch, like it's so thick and nice. So right here I'm asking if this shoe can go with the top or the white shoe, which one is preferable. Okay, that's what I'm asking right here, that you should drop a comment and tell me which of the shoes will match this outfit the more. Yes, I just need you to drop a comment. Okay, yeah. So after that I tried on this yellow top, yes, with the leather pants, and
Look
also
at this top. Had to pair it with this. How does it look? What do you think about this top right here and the pants?
this trouser is like a jumpsuit kind of, and you just tie it there. Okay, so I just had to look for my white top and I paired it with it, and it's giving. Yes, it's giving. I love the outcome. I just like this. Yes, I really do. Okay, tell me what you think about this. Okay, this is how I tied it. Yes, I did just like a knot. I tied it, the two sides, and I'm looking pink. So it's a trouser and not a short. So this gown, oh, the day I wore this gown out, oh, I was just feeling myself. I was actually feeling myself. I so much love the gown. I so much love the gown. I love the way it fits on my body. I love the look of it. I love the texture. I love the color. Yes, I love it a lot. And this one, I know it's a little bit short for some people, but I like the length. I love everything about this particular gown. I love it a lot. Or don't you love it? So I decided to style it with one of the bags I got. Okay, so I reduced the hand a little to make it fit. Yes. As you can see on my channel, you not just watch videos and go, you also learn something useful. This gown, okay, I love it so much. I love the way it fits. I love the length. I love the design. I just love everything about this particular gown. I really do. I really do. I've worn it once and it was bang. It was bang on my body. This jogger, I like it. Though I love the color. I love the texture. Okay, I even love the length as well. Yeah. So this will be very, very useful when it starts raining over here. Yes, when we enter the rainy season, it's going to be very, very useful, because at this time we look for winter jackets and sweaters. Okay, we don't wear much of summer clothing at this time. Okay, so I'll be saving it for the rainy season. Guys, I'll be saving it for the rainy season. Yes, and now I just have an addition to my wardrobe. Yes, I have an addition to my wardrobe. So watch me style it the way I would rock it. Yes, okay, yes, I would rock it this way. It's so lovely. I love the clothes. I love everything about it. It's so nice. Okay, just trying to cover the hoodie. Isn't this looking good? Bye, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all. I thank you all my subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. If you watched to this point, if you watch up to this point, you're the real MVP. I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Thank you.